What makes a dwarf planet different from a planet? Imagine you're looking up at the night sky and wondering what makes some objects in space special. You might see planets like Earth or Mars, but then there are these smaller, mysterious objects called dwarf planets. What sets them apart? Let's find out. Both planets and dwarf planets orbit the Sun and are big enough to be pulled into a round shape by their own gravity. That means they are nearly spherical, unlike smaller rocks or irregularly shaped objects. The main difference comes down to what each can do with its gravity. Planets are able to clear their orbits of other debris, like asteroids and smaller objects. This means they dominate their neighborhood in space. Dwarf planets, on the other hand, have not cleared their orbits. They share their space with other objects of similar size. For example, Pluto, once called the ninth planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet. It orbits the Sun but still shares its orbital zone with many other icy bodies and small objects. This is why Pluto is considered a dwarf planet. It has enough gravity to be round but hasn't cleared its neighborhood. The International Astronomical Union, which is the group that officially names and classifies space objects, set these rules. They decided that for an object to be a planet, it must orbit the Sun, be round, and have cleared its orbit. Dwarf planets meet the first two but not the third. Knowing this helps scientists and space agencies decide how to study and explore these objects. If a space mission targets a dwarf planet like Ceres or Eris, scientists know they are dealing with a smaller, less dominant body. This affects how they plan the mission and what equipment they need. For politicians and policymakers, understanding these differences helps in making decisions about funding space research. Supporting missions to dwarf planets can reveal more about the early solar system, since many of these objects are leftovers from that time. So, in simple terms, the key difference is that planets have cleared their orbits and dwarf planets have not. Both are round and orbit the Sun, but their ability to dominate their space makes them unique. This distinction helps us better understand the variety of objects in our solar system and beyond.